we're going to talk about these awesome accessories called portable monitors for laptops. Let me tell you, they are a game changer. Picture this, you're on the go, and suddenly, you need to set up a workstation at SAP. Maybe you're working remotely, or you're giving a presentation over Zoom. Whatever the case, a portable monitor swoops in to save the day. These nifty gadgets instantly transform any space into a powerful workstation. They come with a higher resolution screen, which means you get to enjoy that crisp, clear display no matter where you are. And here's the best part, you can run more applications at once. Say goodbye to the hassle of switching between tabs and windows constantly. With a portable monitor, you can multitask like a boss. Now, let's get started. All the links mentioned in this review video are in the description below. At number 4, we're going to talk about the best 4K monitor out there. Now, if you're in the market for a portable touchscreen monitor with incredible picture quality, then you need to check out the INNOCN portable monitor. This thing is a beast. Let's start with the pros. First off, the picture quality is absolutely amazing. This monitor features a 15.6 inches 4K OLED display with millions of individually backlit pixels and infinite contrast capabilities. Trust me, every interaction with this screen feels like a special occasion. Another great thing about this monitor is its versatility. It comes with an integrated battery, which means you can use it anywhere without needing a power outlet. The battery can last up to 4 hours, so you can stay productive on the go. And let's not forget about the sleek design of this monitor. It has a slim metal housing that looks really premium. It comes in a cool green color that sets it apart from the competition. Plus, it has built-in stereo speakers, so you get a complete multimedia experience. The only downside of this monitor is its price. It's a bit on the expensive side, but if you're willing to invest in top-notch picture quality and portability, then it's definitely worth it. In terms of connectivity, the INNOCN PU15 Pre has a mini HDMI port and a USB-C port. It also has a USB-C output, which is a nice bonus. The package includes all the necessary cable, a power adapter, and even a protective case that doubles as a viewing stand. Overall, if you're a creative professional, a multitasker, or a console gamer who wants the best portable monitor experience, the INNOCN PU15 Pre is the one for you. Its 4K OLED display, integrated battery, and sleek design make it a standout choice in the market. At number 3, we're going to talk about the best gaming monitor that you absolutely need to check out, the NexiGo NG17FG portable gaming monitor. This bad boy is packed with some awesome features that will elevate your gaming experience to a whole new level. So, let's dive right in. The NexiGo NG17FG boasts a large and bright 17.3 inches display. Trust me, it's the biggest display on this list, which means you'll get a truly immersive gaming experience. And guess what? It has a super high refresh rate of 144 Hz. That means you'll enjoy buttery smooth on-screen action, making your games look and feel incredibly smooth. But that's not all. This monitor also comes with AMD FreeSync and NVIDIA G-Sync technology. What does that mean for you? It means you can say goodbye to annoying screen tearing and stuttering. When you pair this monitor with a compatible PC or console, you'll experience tear-free gameplay, even at high frame rates. It's a game changer, no pun intended. Now, let's talk about connectivity. The NexiGo NG17FG has got you covered in this department. It comes with not one, but 2 USB-C ports. That's great news for those of you who want to connect multiple devices without any hassle. And if that's not enough, it also has a USB-A port and an HDMI port. So, whether you're gaming or multitasking, you'll have all the connectivity options you need right at your fingertips. The only downside we found with this monitor is that it could use a built-in kickstand. It would have been nice to have that extra stability and flexibility, especially when you're gaming on the go. However, keep in mind that this is a portable monitor, and it's still highly functional even without a kickstand. Now, let's summarize the key specs. The NexiGo NG17FG sports a 17.3 inches Full HD IPS display with a super impressive 144 Hz refresh rate. In terms of connectivity, it's got you covered with 2 USB-C ports, a USB-A port, and an HDMI port. And it even comes with stereo speakers and an audio jack, so you can immerse yourself in the sound of your games. Now, the best part about this gaming monitor is its price. Considering its sleek design, awesome features, and hardware specs, the NexiGo NG17FG is incredibly well priced. So, you won't have to break the bank to get your hands on this bad boy. It's definitely a steal for what it offers. So, if you're in the market for a portable gaming monitor that delivers an outstanding gaming experience without costing you a fortune, the NexiGo NG17FG is the one for you. With its large and bright display, high refresh rate, excellent connectivity options, and reasonable price, it's a winner in our books. At number 2, we're going to talk about the best budget portable monitor out there, the ViewSonic VA1655. Now, if you're on a tight budget but still want a high-quality monitor, this might just be the perfect option for you. So let's dive in. One of the standout features of the VA1655 is its picture quality. Considering its price tag of less than $150, you're getting a pretty impressive display panel. The 15.6 inches Full HD IPS screen delivers sharp and vibrant visual, making your viewing experience enjoyable. Another pro is that this monitor is easy on the eyes. It comes with multiple viewing modes, flicker-free technology, and a blue light filter to protect your eyes from strain, especially during long working or gaming sessions. So if you're someone who spends a lot of time in front of the screen, this feature will definitely come in handy. And let's not forget about the warranty. The VA1655 comes with a generous 3-year warranty, which is quite impressive for a budget monitor. It gives you that extra peace of mind knowing that you're covered in case anything goes wrong. One of the downsides of the VA1655 is its stereo speakers. They're not the best out there, and the sound quality is so-so. However, considering the affordable price of this monitor, I wouldn't say it's a deal breaker. You can always use external speakers or headphones for a better audio experience. In terms of key specs, the VA1655 features a 15.6 inches Full HD IPS screen, which is great for its price range. It also offers 2 USB-C ports and a mini HDMI port for connectivity, giving you flexibility in connecting your devices. Additionally, it includes a blue light filter, stereo speakers, and a standard audio jack for convenience. And guess what? When you purchase the VA1655, it even comes with a storage sleeve to keep your monitor safe and protected. That's a nice little bonus. So, to sum it all up, if you're on a budget and in need of a portable monitor, the ViewSonic VA1655 is definitely worth considering. It offers good picture quality, eye-friendly features, and a solid 3-year warranty. Just keep in mind that the stereo speakers might not blow you away, but for the price, it's still a great deal. Finally, coming in at number 1 is the best overall portable monitor on the market right now, and that is the ASUS ZenScreen OLED MQ13AH. Now, this little gem has got some fantastic features that make it stand out from the crowd. So let's dive right in and see what it's all about. One of the standout features is its captivating OLED display. The colors are accurate, the viewing angles are wide, and it has this eye strain reducing technology built right in. But what really sets it apart is the brightness and the onboard tech that reduces flickering and eye-straining blue light. Trust me, your eyes will thank you. Another pro is the sleek and portable design of the ZenScreen OLED. It weighs just a little over 1 pound, making it incredibly lightweight and easy to carry in your bag or backpack alongside your laptop. It's ultra-thin and takes up very little space, so it's perfect for people on the go. And if you prefer a larger screen, there's also a 15.6 inches version available. Now, let's move on to the connectivity features, and boy, does this monitor have plenty of them. It comes with 3 USB-C ports and a mini HDMI port, giving you a lot of flexibility when it comes to connecting your devices. You can hook it up to your laptop, smartphone, or even gaming consoles. It's super versatile, and that's always a plus in our book. Of course, no product is without its flaws, so let's talk about the cons. The only downside to the ASUS ZenScreen OLED is that it doesn't have built-in speakers. So, if you're someone who relies on monitor speakers for audio, you might have to invest in external speakers or use headphones. It's not a deal breaker for most people, but it's worth noting. Plus, it even has a tripod mount for added convenience. To top it all off, when you purchase the ZenScreen OLED, you also get a stylish protective cover that doubles as a viewing stand. It's a neat little addition that adds to the overall value of the product. And in the retail package, you'll find a power adapter, braided USB-C and HDMI cable, and even a USB-C to USB-A adapter. Talk about bang for your buck. So, all in all, the ASUS ZenScreen OLED MQ13AH is the best portable monitor for most consumers. With its versatile design, vibrant OLED display, and generous connectivity options, it's hard to beat. And when you factor in the agreeable price point, it's a no-brainer. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who needs a second screen on the go, this monitor has got you covered. That's all we had for today. Check out the links in the description for pricing and availability. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you found this video helpful.